the lover that's sleeping, while my guitar gently weeps. I look at the floor and I see it needs sweeping. Still my guitar gently weeps. I don't know why nobody told you how to unfold your love. I don't know how someone controlled you. They bought and sold you.
Please chant Hare Krishna. Why don't you give it a chance? At least read this Bhagavad Gita. And you're always welcome to dance. Thank you. Sangeeta ma'am, look over Fred Astaire. I put on my tea lamp, fill up my book bag, and get out of the bed. Excuse me, sir, would you like to have a book?
He's not the man, he's a traveling Sangeeta man.
I'm going out to give the mercy to all the conditioned souls. For all of them are deep in illusion and need to be saved, you know. I'm going out as often as I can.
That's why we call him
Would you like to have
Sangeeta man.
Prabhu, have you read that note on the notice board? Next week there will be a Sangeeta meeting right here in New York. Everyone is going to be there who goes out. It's great, can't wait, it's so far out. The kirtan will be so loud.
He's not the
Yes,
man,
it's me. Would you like to have a book,
he's
sir?
a big star.
Oh, it's about your
Sangeeta man.
You're
all the conditions so
reincarnation. For all of them are deep in illusion. I need to be safe, you know. I'm going out as often as I can.
That's why we call it the Seguida
Would you like to have a book, sir? Thank you.